Right, so here we have a Ford Fiesta. It's gone in for the MOT and it has failed for a rear spring that is snapped on the bottom lug. Very, very, very common problem with the Fiestas. Not a massive job to do, not that big a job. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So here we go. Right, so here we are underneath the car at the back. What we have here, as you can see, is the spring, and then below it here we've got the shock absorber. Basically all we're going to do is we're going to take that bolt out and then replace the spring. Simple as that. So, what you need to do is get a trolley jack. You can do this on the floor, you just need to jack it up a little bit. What I do, trolley jack, piece of wood. Yeah. We jack up there just to take the weight off of the spring, so when we undo that it doesn't just ping down. Undo this bolt. Like so. Then we release the pressure, just like that, and then through like that. Then we get a bar, some description. I've got this bar here. Then we lower it down, just like so. Then we take out the spring. There we go. We get the new spring, and then we'll change over the bits and put it back in. Right, here's the new spring. Check it against the old spring, make sure it looks good. There it is. And we need to put on this is the top section here. It's obviously got a little locator which needs to go there like that, and it's got a locator here which goes in the top, just like that. And then we need to leave it down. There we go, installed. Now obviously, this is where this comes into play again. We need to put this underneath here, like that, so we can then raise it up and put the bolt back in. That's located, that's located. Do it up. Probably take this off now anyway, to be fair. That is how you replace the rear spring on a Ford Fiesta. Yes, this is definitely a job you can do at home, and yes, it's going to save you a lot of money. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.